How to fix flash not working on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the flash not working issue in Snapchat. If your flash isn't lighting up or working properly, don't worry, I've got some quick and easy solutions to help you out. So let's jump right in. First, make sure Snapchat has permission to access your camera. Open your settings app, simply go to apps and find Snapchat. Make sure the camera toggle is turned on in Snapchat. Outdated version of Snapchat can also cause this issue. Simply head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Snapchat and check for any available updates. If there's any update, make sure to install it. Now let's clear cache on Snapchat. Simply open the Snapchat app and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on your Bitmoji at the top and simply go to settings. From here, scroll down until you find an option called Clear Data and simply select Clear Cache. Confirm it and then restart the app. This might fix the issue. If that also didn't help, let's adjust flash settings. Open the Snapchat camera app, tap on the flash icon at the top and make sure it's always on or not off. And that's it. Hopefully your Snapchat flash is now working properly.